Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will now talk about what my channel is about. As some of you may already seen, it's about me showing some of my drawings, my sketches, attempting to become better at art somehow, going out of my comfort zone because for some years, for many years, because I'm drawing since I'm 8 years old, but it means nothing if you don't have some good basis. And the good basis in art, I tend to overlook. I was tending to overlook them because I drew and drew and drew and drew a lot of manga, anime, to say so. I was copy pasting entire tomes of Gunmi, Battle Angel Alita, of Dragon Ball, and I would learn the most basic things about anatomy because Battle Angel Alita has some anatomy going mostly right, but Dragon Ball was teaching me to draw my character with pointy things here. I don't know the name of the word for this area. I believe I should look after it. When you don't know, Google it. Um, anyway, uh, it's my first time making a video in front of my camera, at least on this channel. And as you can tell, I'm not really comfortable doing this. It might come later. So I wanted to talk about the, my drawings, my goals. My goals are to make at the end of it is to make a little short movie or a comics, but I don't want the basic comics or the thing or light-hearted thing, etc. I want to make a dark fantasy comics. I already have a lot of ideas for many years, but as I was involved into an accident a few years earlier, while I was a construction worker, um, there was a huge hiatus on me about I couldn't draw as much as often as I wanted to. Now I'm partially disabled. I have several health issues. But the main problem is I have split spine and doesn't go better. It doesn't evolve to be healed after a time. It's what you call a degenerative disease or health problem. I will have. I hope I will not be not able to walk someday, but it's. I feel that it's getting slowly there. I hope not. I'm trying to walk or limp most of the time, but let's try to be optimistic about this, even if it depresses me. I have allergy problem with dust, high intolerance with dust, asthma. I really have a lot of problems. Psoriasis under my skin there, under my scalp. Psoriasis absolutely everywhere. I get my face irritated most of the time because of psoriasis. I don't know if you can see. I have a lot of dots, red dots, and it feels like something is burning or eating my face. So yeah, all is not well in this world. Yeah, trying to stay positive, even though. All right, right. Let's forget about that. Okay. What I want to show you today. I've made this little sketch. I don't know if you can see it very well. I was working on this because I'm not always working on the Huion and Spiroi that I showed you earlier. I'm also working on paper because I'm still better at hand drawing than with the tablet here. This tablet is good, but I have one issue with it. When I try to make curves that go up or in diagonal, I have slightly wobbles. I have slightly wobbles under Sketchbook Pro, under Photoshop, and Manga Studio 5. I don't know if it's an issue with the tablet itself or if it's the drivers. I may try to update the drivers and find out. But it's not quite as good as drawing on paper for now. It's only a month. I'm using this only for a month right now. So with practice, I might become better. Um, so that's that. That's that. I may try to make some drawings on paper and show the results on camera once or twice a week. I will focus and continue to try to work on the graphics tablet. I wish I could afford a better tablet, a Wacom. No, I didn't say this. Yes, I said it. A Wacom. Yeah. I heard they were better for that kind of thing. No, it's not an official review of the Huion Heroi because it's still as you saw some of my drawings on this channel, you can do pretty well with this. You can do pretty good drawing with this. It's for the price. It costs only 95 euros or 100 bucks approximately on Amazon anyway. Um, it's wireless. It has 8,000 level of pressure sensitivity. Oh, it's hardly something bad. I would recommend for a beginning artist like me, like me. So I hope you will enjoy my content here. I will try to make some animations. I will try to make some panels live. I already stream a lot of things I draw and upload them on the channel. So you might follow how I try to construct things. And maybe if you are into this business, I mean business, it's not a business, but into art, you can critique my way of constructing a drawing. You can also take a look at my whole process, the whole process of me doing anything, and critique it, comment, and maybe like the video or subscribe, but it's not a thing that is very natural for me to say. I would like it better if people were subscribing just because I'm a normal person, and you like what and putting wood there. Anyway, it was long enough. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Imaginalax out.